Hey everyone, Steve Perry here. Remember our human resources application? Let's run it in the cloud. You can get the code from GitHub at github.com/makotogo/Java in the cloud. In this video, I'll show you how to download and set up WebSphere Application Server Liberty, install the Eclipse tools for IBM Cloud, deploy the human resources application to Liberty locally, and push the application to the IBM Cloud using the Eclipse tools for IBM Cloud. Let's get started. First, download Liberty from the WASDev Get Started with Liberty page at developer.ibm.com/wasdev/get started. Click on the Download Liberty with Java EE7 Web Profile link, accept the license agreement, and the file will be downloaded. When the download is finished, unzip the file. On my Mac, I'll copy the WLP folder to my home directory under Users S-Perry Home. Next up, install the IBM Cloud tools for Eclipse. Start Eclipse and go to Help, Eclipse Marketplace. In the Find dialog, type in IBM Cloud, then click the Go button. And you'll see IBM Eclipse tools for IBM Cloud for Oxygen. Click the Install button and follow the prompts. Next, to add the Liberty server, open Preferences, Server, Runtime Environments. Click the Add button, scroll down to IBM Liberty Runtime, and click Next. Now under Path, locate the path where you installed Liberty. In my case, it's Users S-Perry Home WLP, and click Next. Accept the defaults, and click Finish. Click Apply and Close, and now the Liberty server is set up and ready to go. From a terminal window on Mac or command prompt on Windows, navigate to a directory where you want the code to land and enter the git clone command. Git clone, github.com, Makoto Go, Java in the cloud. Now in Eclipse, go to File, Import, General, Existing Projects into Workspace. Click Next. Click Browse to navigate to the directory where you cloned the code, or just type in the full path. The Java in the Cloud project appears. Click Finish to import it. Open the servers view. Go to Window, Show View, Other, then click on Server, Servers, and click Open. Right-click on the server and choose Add and Remove. Select the Java in the Cloud application, click the Add button, and then Finish. Now start the server by right-clicking on Liberty Server, choose Start, and the application server will start. The message, "The server default server is ready to run a Smarter Planet," means we're good to go. Now let's open Chrome and test to make sure that it's up. Looks like the application is up and running. Now that the application is running under Liberty locally, it's time to push it to the cloud. Make sure the Liberty server is stopped before pushing to the IBM Cloud. Select Utilities, Package Server to IBM Bluemix. Then click the Add Server button. We only have to do this part once. Select IBM Bluemix, click Next. On this screen, enter your IBM Cloud account credentials. Then click Validate Account. click Next. Make sure the correct space, Dev in my case, is selected, then click Next. Then click Finish. Then click OK. Enter the name you want for the application. I'll enter Java Learning Path. Click Next. This name actually becomes part of your deployed URL, as you see here. Set the memory limit to 256 megabytes instead of the default 512 megabytes. Click Next, and finally, click Finish. It takes a minute or two to push the application to the IBM Cloud, so be patient. Once the application is deployed, open Chrome and access the IBM Cloud URL for the application. https://javalearningpath.mybluemix.net. And there's the application, deployed in the cloud. And there you have it. Now you've deployed the application to the IBM Cloud using the Eclipse tools for IBM Cloud. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Steve Perry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. So long.